Welcome to Cooking for Baby and Me. Today's featured ingredient is potatoes. We'll be making mozzarella curd potatoes and roasted half chicken with mozzarella curd potatoes, asparagus, and truffled jus. Joining me is Dr. Jami Avellini from St. Luke's University Health Network and Chef Jose Garces. This smells amazing.
Yeah, we got it working already.
Yeah.
And you know, I really love the potato because obviously it's such a versatile ingredient. You're gonna enjoy this. So I have some rice potatoes. So these potatoes were peeled, boiled in water, and then put through a rice potato. And then mozzarella cheese curds. And I've got some cream and a little bit of butter that has kind of been boiling already. And we're gonna talk about our chicken. This is actually a whole side half chicken.
Okay. Bones or no bones?
No bones. It's boned out, and we put a little bit of this herb marinade, which is rosemary, garlic, and thyme. I'm going to squeeze a little bit of lemon on there. I'm going to drop it into a hot pan.
Tell me a little bit about the nutritional value of potatoes.
So potatoes would surprisingly have a lot of nutritional value. There's your B vitamins, vitamin C, which helps your immune system, helps you fight illnesses. It's a great source of potassium and iron. Most of the nutrients are found in the skin or directly underneath the skin. So if you are going to feed it to your child, just be sure that they can chew the skin.
There's many different types of potatoes. Do white potatoes have something specific that gives them an added value?
Not necessarily, but they all are low in allergens. So if you do have a child that has a lot of food sensitivities, it's a great food to give them.
So I've had my chicken searing on the skin side for about 6 to 8 minutes until it's nice and crispy. I'm going to put this in the oven for about another 6 or 7 to 8 minutes.
Oh, that looks great.
Yeah, put it right in.
What about potato skins? Is there more nutritional value in the skin versus the inside? Is there a difference?
So most of the nutrients are found in the skin. You can also find some fiber, or it's found directly underneath the skin.
When should you introduce the skin to a child? Because it's a little tougher to eat sometimes.
Right, so you want to make sure that your child can chew, so probably about 12 months.
So we have our rice potatoes. I have my cream and butter mixture, and I'm going to just start to mix that in. And what we'll do now is we'll add in some of these mozzarella curds. You'll see once that mozzarella starts to heat up,
Starting to melt. That's beautiful.
I'm going to cook some asparagus. I have a little bit of olive oil. I'm going to put a little bit of salt. And here this is a roast chicken jus. It just has chopped black truffles in there. I thought I'd elevate it for us today. But I'm going to grab this chicken. We're going to just baste it a little bit. I have it on a low heat. And once that little pat of butter melts, it's going to give me another little layer of flavor. Flip the asparagus so you see they're nice and caramelized. And I have a little bit of lemon vinaigrette. So this is just a lemon shallot vinaigrette. We're going to start with baby. We're just going to serve some of these delicious mozzarella curd potatoes. Since we're health conscious, we're just going to give ourselves a little portion of those.
Oh no, scoop a little more on that.
Slice my chicken breast. I'm going to put some of these beautiful asparagus on there. And then we have some, these are just pea greens. Finished with just a little bit of truffle chicken jus. I'm just going to add a little bit of that.
It smells heavenly. This looks great.
I'm going to start with the potatoes, actually.
That is heavenly.
Pretty good.
My kids would love that. That's great.
Excellent.
All right, let's try this. You have to get some potatoes in that too. Amazing.